Hello everyone, this is Farooq Asam and you are watching me on Office Talks. Today I'm here with my two students, Miss Ansu Kumari and Miss Rafat Khatun.
No.
Not Khatun, says Rafat Khan. And we are here today, especially for a video recording. And I want my student Ansu and Rafat should have proper conversations to improve their English. And you guys who are watching us, if you watch us on daily basis, I can confirm you can improve your English also. So I want, if you are watching the first time, you should subscribe and like it, share it with the friends also. If you are getting the benefit, let others also to get the benefit. And the topic is for their conversation. I explain you so that you will enjoy listening. They are friends. You are friends. Okay. Both are learning English in Oxbridge. Ansu Kumari was absent in the class for 10 days. Okay. After 10 days, you are rejoining the class. But as you know, you were absent for 10 days and the class was going on. So you have missed some grammar. The practice cannot be taken back, but the grammar which has already been taught, it can be taken back. So you will talk to your friend, Miss Rafat, and will say your problem that I was absent. She knows already also. Being your classmate, she knows that you are absent. So you will talk to her and ask her English fair notebook. Am I okay?
Hi Rafat, how are you?
तुम क्लास में रेगुलर हो ना?
Are you regular in the class na?
तुम तो जानती हो मैं एब्सेंट थे.
You know I am absent
तुम तो जानती हो ना का सेंस ऑलरेडी में चला जाएगा.
already.
हाँ.
You know already I am absent.
I was
absent.
So
So
मैं कई क्लास मिस करती हूँ.
I missed many classes.
I need your help.
I need your help.
Yes, I am very well.
मैं तुम्हारे लिए परेशान थी.
I was worried about you.
Worried.
I was worried about you.
तुम इतने दिन एब्सेंट थी.
Why you were absent so many days?
एक दो दिन मैं समझ सकती हूँ. 10 दिन.
1-2 days I can understand, but 10 days.
क्यों?
Why?
पहले तुम मुझे बताओ क्यों एब्सेंट थी, मैं फिर तुम्हें मदद करूंगी.
First you tell me why were you absent, then after I will help you.
एक्चुअली मेरे बहन की शादी था तो इसके लिए मैं गांव चली गई थी.
Actually, there was marriage of my sister. That's why I was absent. There are so many works
in the house
of marriage.
इसलिए
So
मुझे जाना पड़ा पहले.
So I have to go.
I
had to go before.
एक्चुअली मेरे घर पे मेरी बहन है और मैं हूँ, तो उसका शादी था तो वो काम तो करेगी नहीं.
Actually,
मेरे घर पे
at my home,
वहाँ मेरी बहन है और मैं हूँ.
there is
only
sir.
हाँ, मेरी बहन है और मैं.
There is my sister and I am there. So
मैं गई.
I went.
Whatever
is the reason. Repeat.
Whatever is the reason,
तुम्हें क्लास 10 दिन मिस नहीं करना चाहिए था.
you should have not missed the class 10 days.
इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए रोज आना कितना जरूरी है ये तुम जानती हो.
Do you know, for learning English, it is very important to come regularly.
चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है.
Okay, fine, no problem.
और बताओ तुम्हारे जीजू कैसे हैं?
And tell me, how is your brother-in-law?
And मेरे जीजू बहुत अच्छे हैं.
And my brother-in-law is very good.
What does your brother-in-law do?
And कहाँ रहते हैं?
And where does he lives?
Where does he
live?
Repeat.
And where does he live?
मेरे जीजू मुंबई में रहते हैं.
My जीजू is
not English word. Brother-in-law.
My brother-in-law is
नहीं, my brother-in-law
Sorry, sir. My brother-in-law lives in Mumbai.
वह गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है.
He
is
is in a government job. He is a manager of SBI.
तो अभी वह यहाँ है या चले गए.
Then now he is here or went.
And तुम्हारी सिस्टर कहाँ है अभी.
And where is your sister?
वह अपने ससुराल में रहेगी या मुंबई में हस्बैंड के साथ रहेगी.
She will live in her law house.
In law's house.
Okay. She will live in law house.
In law's house.
She will live in law's house, or she will live in Mumbai with her husband.
वो
they are at their home
in Darbhanga.
in Darbhanga.
मेरे जीजू का अपना घर दरभंगा में है, टावर पे.
My brother-in-law.
My brothers-in-law.
My brothers-in-law's
main house.
Main house
is at
tower.
अभी वे लोग वहाँ पे हैं.
Now they are there.
लेकिन
But
5 अप्रैल को मेरे जीजा जी और मेरी बहन दोनों मुंबई चले जाएंगे.
But on 5 April, my brother-in-laws and my sister are
दोनों मुंबई चले जाएंगे.
both will go to Mumbai.
Wow, this is good for you.
Also, जब तुम्हारी जीजी सिस्टर वहाँ रहेगी तब तो तुम्हें मुंबई कभी न कभी जाओगी.
When your sister
will be
there, you will also go there.
Yes.
मैं क्यों नहीं जाऊंगी.
Why I'm not going?
Why will I
not going?
मेरे जीजा जी ने तो बोल दिया ऑलरेडी.
My brother-in-laws my brother-in-law had told me already.
1 से 2 महीने के बाद वो मुझे वहाँ बुलाएंगे. वह मुझे बुलाएंगे.
He will call me there one or
after
2 months.
1 or 2 months. Repeat.
He will
It's going
calling.
some romantic types this sentence, na?
Yes, sir.
No, interesting, not romantic. Romantic is something different. How
he will calling me.
He will call me.
He will call me after 1
or 2 months.
Subject.
Repeat full.
He will call me there after 1 or 2 months.
And मैं जाऊंगी.
And I will go there.
मैं सोची हूँ मैं वहां जाऊंगी ना तो सारे हीरो हीरोइन से मिलूंगी मैं.
I think.
मैं सोची हूँ. भीतरी.
Yeah.
I have thought.
Yes, sir. I have thought.
जब मैं वहां जाऊंगी.
When I will go there.
मैं वहां सारे हीरोइंस नहीं सारे हीरो से मिलूंगी.
I will meet all heroes
and heroines. And मुंबई की हर जगह को घूमूंगी.
And I will
visit.
I will visit the different
all the places
in Mumbai.
Of Mumbai.
I will visit all the places of Mumbai. Just as
for example.
मैं
चौपाटी जाऊंगी.
I will go Chowpatty.
मैं गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया जाऊंगी.
I will go to Gateway of India.
मैं ताज होटल में लंच करूंगी.
I will take lunch in Taj Hotel.
And कई जगह और जाऊंगी.
And I will go. Yes, sir. I will go many more places.
Wow. अब मेरी भी बड़ी बहन है, अभी शादी नहीं हुआ है. उसकी शादी के बाद मैं भी जाऊंगी.
I have also a younger sister.
Elder sister.
I have also a elder sister.
मैं भी जाऊंगी.
After marriage.
After her marriage.
I will also go there.
जहाँ मेरे जीजू जी रहेंगे.
Where my brother-in-law will live.
ठीक है, तुमको क्या चाहिए था. अब हम थोड़ा पॉइंट पे आते हैं. बात जो मेरा मकसद है, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए मुझसे.
Okay, fine. Now what do you want from me?
5 minutes.
You know already I was absent for 10 days.
इसलिए
That's why I need your notebook.
इंग्लिश फेयर नोटबुक
I need your English fair notebook
1 से 2 दिन के लिए।
for 1 or 2 days.
हाँ ठीक है,
Okay, fine.
मैं तुमको जरूर दूंगी अपना नोट्स।
I will must give. Oh, I will give you my.
जरूर हाँ,
I must give you my notebook.
लेकिन ये आज पॉसिबल नहीं है।
But it is not possible today.
मैं तुमको कल दूंगी।
I will give you tomorrow.
अगर तुम्हें आज चाहिए,
If you want today,
चल मेरे साथ मेरे घर।
you come with me to my home.
मुझे आज चाहिए।
I need today.
मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
I am ready with you.
I'm ready to go with you.
Yes, I am ready to go with you.
Your house. लेकिन
But
तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है?
where is your house?
कैसे जाओगी?
How will we go? Yes, I will go with you
क्योंकि मुझे आज नोट्स चाहिए।
because I need your
Notes.
notebook today.
कहाँ है तेरा घर?
Where is your house?
एंड कैसे जाओगी?
How will go there?
My house is at Maulaganj. I will go by scooty.
तू मेरे स्कूटी से चल, मैं तुम्हें घर पे छोड़ दूंगी।
You come with me by my scooty. I will leave.
Drop you.
I will drop you at your home.
Okay,
हम लोग चलते हैं।
we are.
Let's
We are go.
आग नहीं लगाएंगे। Let's we
Go. Yes.
repeat.
Let's we go.
That's great, my dear audience. Hello audience. Hi. What are you doing, ma'am? Are you taking my picture?
Yes.
Take no problem. Make it viral. My favorite teacher, Mr. Farooq Ajan sir. He is very good and he teaches very good English. Anyway, hello. I need your attention. My dear audience, you have enjoyed. Let's see, click. So, what is the problem?
Yeah, now it's
Then, can I speak now? My dear audience who are watching us, once again, I would like to remind you, if you have not subscribed, do it now. And I hope you enjoyed listening my student, Miss Rafat and Miss Ansu. They have discussed very nicely. They have almost learned, need some more to learn. And you guys are also interested, watch my video on daily basis. I'll upload daily one conversation video or maybe of different kinds of, but it will be of grammar, spoken related. You must try talk, and in case if you have any problem, feel free to ask me the questions. Look at them.